Hi friends, I'm so glad you're able to join me today. Guess what we're going to do? We're going to do addition, which is kindergarten math, using our 10 frames. So I hope everybody has their 10 frames and some manipulatives, 5 for you and 5 for your parents. You also need a paper and writing utensils and the number cards that I've sent your parents. You should have cut them out by now, and you need numbers 0 through 5, and they should be mixed up. So let's practice real quick. What's this number? 3. Good job. Oh, what's that number? Oh, silly Miss Paula. Okay, what's that number? 5. Good. What's that number? 0. When it's a number, it's called 0. When it's a letter, it's called O. That's 0 because we're talking about numbers now. Well, can't mix them up. Can't separate them. What's that number? 4. How many of you are still 4? Show me. What's that number? 1. Very good. And what's that number? 2. Good job, friends. Okay, so we have our number cards to the side. Now I want to show you 2 signs. Signs that we use a lot in math, especially when we're adding in preschool or kindergarten. And here's the first sign. This is called adding or addition. You're going to add 2 numbers together. So if we had a number over here and we have another number over here, adding means we're going to combine those 2 numbers together. So if we had a 1 over here and we have a 2 over here, if we combine those together, what do we get? That's right, 3. So I have 1, and I'm combining it with 2, and I put it together, and I have 3. Good job, friends. Then this is called an equal sign. And the equal sign means whatever's on this side of the equal sign is the exact same as what's on this side of the equal sign. So I have the 2 plus 1 over here. I combine those, and what did we get? 3. Then over here on this side, I should have 3. See? They're the same. Okay, let's get started. Are you ready? Okay, let's get my 10 frame ready. This is what your mom or dad is going to be doing with you after you watch the video. You can play with mom and dad on this. Ready? So I'm going to start this off, and I'm going to put 2 red dots on my 10 frame. Now, I'm going to pretend I'm one of you, and I am going to come over here, and I'm going to pick one of our numbers. What number is that? What did I pick? That's right, it's a 2. So now, I'm going to put 2 yellow dots on because I picked a number 2. I have 2 red dots, and I have 2 yellow dots. So I'm going to do 2 plus 2 equals, how many altogether? You're right, it equals 4. Good job, friends. So now we're going to take our piece of paper and our writing utensil, and this is what we're going to do. At the top, we're going to write, towards the top, we're going to write a 2. 2, because I have 2 red ones, right? And then we're going to make the plus sign. Remember what the plus sign means? We're going to combine those 2 numbers together. And then how many yellows do we have? That's right, we had 2. So we're going to put another 2. And then what was that other sign called? I can't remember. Do you guys remember? That's right, equals. Equals. So 2 plus 2. So I'm reading the signs. 2 plus 2 equals, how many do we have all together? 4. Straight down, across, and down. There's my math problem, and you read it like this. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now, are we sure that's right? So this is the way we can check it. Under this 2, we're going to put 2 little dots. You do that? Then under this 2, we're going to put 2 little dots. And under this 4, how many dots do you think we're going to put? You're right, 4. job. Now, remember we said equals means the dots over here has to be the same as the dots over here. So how many do we have here? 4. And how many do we have on this side of the equal sign? 4. Very good, friends. We got that one right. Okay, let's try another one. Let me get rid of my dots. Let's try this. 2. And now we're going to pick another one. Uh-oh, this one looks tough to me. What's that number? 4. Very good. So now we're going to put on 4 dots. Help me count. 4 yellow dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, look at that. We have 2 red dots plus 4 yellow dots. 2 red dots plus 4 yellow dots. How many dots does that make altogether? Can you figure that out? You know what I look at? I know this is the 5 frame at the top. And then I say that's 5, and I see one more, so that must make 6, right? 6 altogether. Good job, friends. Let's try writing that out. Okay. Miss Paula just made a boo-boo. Let's see. Wait a minute. Let me put this back on. I mistakenly took them off. Okay. So, our problem is, how many red dots do we have? 2 red dots. And then what's our sign that we have to put here? Plus. How many yellow dots did we make or put on? 4. And then what's our sign over here? Equals. And how many did we say we had all together? That's right, we have 6. Good job, friends. Should we try one again? Let's see what we can do. I'm going to start with 2 again. Oh, here's a good one. What's that number? 0. So am I going to put on any yellow ones? No, I'm not. You're right. So I'm done, right? 2 plus 0 equals 2. Good job, friends. So let's write that out for us. 2 plus 0 equals 2. Good job, friends. Let's try a couple more, and then I'm going to let you play with your mom or dad. Ready? Let's try this time. Let's up it a bit. Ooh. How many do I have on the red ones? So your mom or dad are going to do the first part. They're going to put theirs on first. And then your job is to pick from the pile. What number do you pick? 3. Right. 3. So now we're going to put on how many yellows? 3. 1, 2, 3. So you'll be doing this part. Mom and Dad do the first part, and then you pick your number and you do the second part. Okay, ready? So we have 3 red ones and how many yellows? 3 yellows. So let's put them all together. 3 plus 3. Remember, we're combining the groups. Makes all together makes how many? You're right, 6. Let's check and see. Let's write it out and check with our dots. Ready? So we started out with how many reds? 3 reds. And how many? Oh, what do I need to put next? I almost forgot. The plus sign. And then how many yellows did we put on? 3 more yellows. And then what's next? Our equal sign. I'm getting a little crooked here. 3 plus 3 equals, what did we decide? 6 altogether. So now let's check and make sure. Ready? Remember how we did that with the dots? How many dots do I put under this 3? Yep, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many dots do I put under this 3? You're right, 3 more dots. 1, 2, 3. And how many dots altogether under the 6? Excuse me. Right, 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now look at your dots. Do we have the same dots on this side of the equal sign as we have on this side of the equal sign? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many do we have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, friends. Okay, let's do one more. And then we'll let you play this with Mom or Dad. Okay, I'm gonna stay with 3 this time. Let's see what number we pick. Oh my goodness. How many of you are still this age? Yeah, what is that number? That's right, it's a 5. So, Mom or Dad put on 3. Who gets to put on the 5? You guys do. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3 red because that's what Mom or Dad picked. And then we have 5 yellow because that's the number you picked out of the pile. How many is that all together? If you need to, you can point and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8. Wow. Now, if you knew this was 5, you didn't have to start at 1 counting. You could go 5, 6, 7, 8. That's counting up. Again, this is 5. Let's count up. 6, 7, 8. Wow. Okay, now let's write that. How many red ones do we have? We have 3 red ones. And what's the sign we need? Plus. And how many yellows did we put on? 5. My 3 looks a little silly there, so let's see if I can make a better 5. Down, around, and put the hat on. And what's the sign after the 5? It's called equals. So it's these 2 combined, the 3 and 5 combined, should equal the number we have over here. And what number did we say that was? 8. And if you want to do your dots, you can do the dots. And if the dots equal the same, then we're on target. Okay, good job, friends. Now, I'm going to let you go play this game with Mom and Dad. Remember, Mom and Dad are going to put the first manipulatives on. They're going to start with 2. They're going to work up to 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. And then you're going to pick a card from the number pile, and you're going to add your manipulatives. And then you're going to count it total, how many equals all together. And then you're going to write them on your paper. Okay, so now we're going to let you go play with your mom and dad. If you have any questions, parents, you know where to reach us. And friends, I just want to let you know that we're missing you guys a lot. This morning I woke up very sad and I had to write a sad crying face in my feeling journals. But now I get to go and add a smiley face for this afternoon because I'm happy that I got to at least work with you on YouTube. So I can't wait to see you all the next time on Zoom. Take care. Bye.